Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an exciting tutorial for all you mobile users out there. We're going to walk you through the steps on how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Accessing settings. First things first, open the Facebook app. Log in if you haven't. Then click on the top right corner menu button. Then click on your profile. Step 2. Navigating to professional mode. Click on the three dots button. After clicking, you are in the profile settings. Swipe down and you will find the professional button. Step 3. Enabling professional mode. Now you'll see an option to turn on professional mode. Go ahead and tap on it. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled professional mode on Facebook right from your mobile device. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.